Are you looking for the best cheap sublimation printer? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap sublimation printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2720. Another printer from the 2700 series. With the same build quality as ET2760, which is possible, the low cost per print and high page yields make it suitable for small businesses. Featuring the Super Tank refillable system, the ink tanks are easy to fill and can print a good number of pages. Additionally, the ink levels can be determined from the front. The input paper tray can handle only 100 sheets and 30 plain paper sheets in the output paper tray, similar to the ET2760 with various sizes of printing papers. Lacks an auto document feeder, which can be annoying. So you need to scan and copy the pages manually. Although the scanning resolution was exceptional, however, the scanning hinges were not extendable to scan thick items. The maximum print size is not much wide but can print the images for various sizes of substrates like frames, personalized photos, t-shirts, and much more. The print quality was ample with adjustable resolution, but the printing speed was significantly low for higher resolution images. Along with that, the speed for coloring pages it provided was only 5 ppm, which is similar to the ET2760, so it might let you wait for a bit, but then the printing quality turned out excellent. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET3830. Built with decent quality and also felt like a premium sublimation printer. The ET3830 is a bit bulkier than two above listed printers. The navigation screen is also 1 inch bigger and provides better visibility than our top pick and other listed products, but it is also navigational by buttons. But ET3830 lacks an ADF, which is a negative side of it. But thanks to the printing speed, which is satisfactory than above-mentioned printers. ET3830 also utilizes the cartridge-free Super Tank system to provide a low cost per print and high page yields. The ink tank visibility is also greater than ET2760 and 2720. I still had tons of ink remaining in the reservoirs, so I didn't need it to be refilled often. The AIO printer is able to scan and copy with the flatbed scanner manually. The input extendable tray can accommodate a decent number of sheets, which is 250. Although I also got a front paper tray to accommodate some of the pages to boost productivity. The auto duplexing was also there, but I didn't utilize it for sublimation. The combination of great color depth and high resolution scanning is perfect for capturing minute details in your photos. Overall, the printing quality was impressive, producing sharp graphics. The printer also provided me the large borderless prints, so the images were suitable for large substrates. Number 3. WF7820. One of the fastest, best cheap sublimation printers and the successor of WF7720, the WF7820 is a decent sublimation printer equipped with a cartridge system. Although I got the refillable cartridges except for the package. Also, I got to install the SIS chipset system for the quick refilling of ink cartridges. The appealing feature it offered me was an automatic document feeder with an exceptional number of papers, which was 50. Another plus point is it offered wide format printing up to 13x 19 inches with the rear tray with borders, and the borderless printing was 11x 17 inches. While the printing cost was a bit higher, which was 11.3 cents due to the cartridge system, but its page yield offered a decent number of pages. Further, its scan and copy size is also wide format to print super tabloid size sheets except for faxing size. Additionally, WF7820 features one paper tray of 250 sheets, almost half less than the 7720, but it is possible if you do not tend to print heavy monthly duty cycles. However, Epson WF7840 has dual paper trays. The print quality was excellent with precise dots, but it came out a bit faded on the sublimation paper. However, when I heat transferred the image, it became rich in colors.